Welcome to My Success. My Success aims to give you the best personal development advice to help you succeed, so sit back, relax and enjoy the roller coaster. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos. How to set goals that are achievable. Goal setting is the road to success. Some may accept this fact while others may not. However, this is very true when achieving goals. The more your goal sounds real, the more you are likely to achieve it fast. Yet, a number of people find it difficult to achieve goals even if it is achievable. How to understand that whether a goal that you set is achievable or not. Here are a number of ways that will help you to create achievable goals. Ensure that your dream has real existence and is possible by human beings. Even if you feel that it is achievable by human beings, but you must ensure that you have the capability to achieve it. This is because not all people have equal ability to perform a task. Further, identify the risks involved in the goal. If the goal involves large amount of risks, it is better not to pursue that goal and think of some other option. Make your goals short and simple. This will make it easier for you to achieve and you can focus on what exactly is needed or the achievement of goals. Discuss the action plans you will take with those who will be with you during your goal achievement days. It is important to involve every person directly related to your goal and ask for his or her suggestions. It is necessary for you to know the reason behind each goal. This is because if you do not know the reason as to why you have set the goal, then you will not feel the necessity to achieve the goal. Break down your achievement goal into small actionable goals. This will make the process fair, accurate and easier for you to achieve. You will get a definite outcome from these small goals. Keep the goals in mind as well as jot them down in a piece of paper. By only jotting them down in a paper, you will forget the goals or you will lose the motivation to reach your goal. While keeping them in mind will give you the motivation every day. Make your goals public. This way you will be promising to deliver the goals as you have promised them in public. Effectively monitor your progress. You have to this yourself, as you are the one who knows yourself the best. Thus, this is how you can set goals that are achievable. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Look at the description box below for our best product recommendation. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it very informative. My Success has a vision to help you grow and succeed in all aspects of life. If you would like us to continue creating such videos, please like and share this video and hit the subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon. See you soon. Don't forget to leave a message in the comments section below telling us what type of videos you would like to see.